Good afternoon, my name is Joseph Crabtree. I'm the CEO and founder of AMT.
My name is Konstantin Rybalcenko. I am head of R&D at Additive Manufacturing Technologies.
So over the last 5 years, we've really started to expand our booth. We started off 5 years ago in the startup area, a very, very small booth. And every year we've increased our presence year on year with a new evolving concept. This year we've got a concept of basically the factory of the future, where we're developing or demonstrating our end-to-end automation systems. So not only have you got individual modules on display, but really excitingly you've got our digital manufacturing system. Our digital manufacturing system is an end-to-end workflow that basically automates all the manual stages of post-processing and is demonstratable, as you'll see later on in the video.
During the last decade, additive manufacturing industry has grown a lot. Many processes were automated, digitized, and many new applications emerged. However, the post-processing element has largely remained manual, with a lot of manual labor involved. And that's what we are solving with a digital manufacturing system. So it is an end-to-end post-processing solution, completely automating the part workflow from printer through the depowdering, unpacking, depowdering, and surface treatments, for example, surface moving. We are introducing our new generation green chemistry, PostPro Pure. Our machines, we designed them with this chemical in mind, so it produces accurate, repeatable results while using that new chemistry in an efficient and optimal way, so it fully recycles it. So we're offering a fully sustainable solution from the used consumable to the actual machinery. One of the new technologies we are introducing is green vapor smoothing technology for polypropylene material. It smooths the surfaces, seals the pores, makes it watertight, but also removes any residual semi-sinter particle. The machine itself produces accurate results, very repeatable, produces zero waste, and it uses green chemistry.
So we're really excited about our new strategic partnership with HP. Really, with this partnership, we're looking to the future of additive manufacturing. We're enabling HP's customers to scale and to grow their production facilities into the future.